Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last session we did figure out that there is something wrong with the way that the global data is initialized. Yeah. Let's see. So yeah. I think the way to fix this is that we make game color. Did we remove all logic from the constructor of the global data, which requires other systems. So this one requires a file system and the version. Yeah, that's it. Is there anything else that we require here? Let's see, we require the ASCII string. Yeah. Okay, but this kind of works. Yeah. Okay, let me see where the let me compile in the extras and the tools. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so we want to check where the file system is created. Maybe. Hello? Okay, that doesn't work. Then we do this. Okay. Okay, so it's created in different systems here. Yeah. Different tools, I mean. Yeah. Okay. Init. This init call. Aha, there's an init function. Mm-hmm. Let me see where this is called. Oh, just here? That's unexpected. That was unexpected. I thought that there would be more locations that call it init function of the global data. That really is unexpected. Now, init. For some reason we cannot jump to that definition. Let's put a bookmark here. Init. Nothing. Let me put a something in here. I don't know. Let's put in printf, just so we can put a breakpoint. Option menu issues. Okay. Good. Let me stash that. Pull rebase. And stash pop. and compile one more. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Global data init. Yeah. So I think what we need to do is we want to call init. Maybe it's already called by engine, the init, and reset and update and so on. But in tools, maybe not, right? Yeah. Good. Then we install this one. Let me see if that is hit, the code or not. It is hit. Okay. And it's hit much, much later. Yeah. In game engine init. Yeah. But then I wonder, is anyone using this XECRC? What is it called? CRC. There. Okay, so where's the ini CRC build? In game engine init. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 XCRC. Okay, so in game engine init, we set this. And where are we now? We are in init subsystems, which also happens in here when we init this guy. Okay, so I see. Word builder also calls it. That's good. And the map cache builder as well. Okay. Okay, then next step, we take a look at the CRC, yeah, and we check who is using the exe CRC. Are there any users before game engine init? That's a big question. You could probably check this with breakpoints, right? Yeah, we could check this with... Yeah, we can breakpoint this, I think. So we have M XE CRC right here. So we put a breakpoint here. Yeah, put a breakpoint there, and then we take this guy here. We go to breakpoints. And we add a new data breakpoint with MXECSC. And we say modified. Can we have a breakpoint on read? Oof, I don't think so. Specified number of bytes are modified. We don't have one for read, right? Nah. No, then we have to look. Okay, so this one, request game join, is in the game, create game, start recording. Yeah, that's a game action playback. Populate replay file list box. Lobby menu. Okay, these all look like they happen well after game engine in it. Lobby utils as well, yeah. I don't see anything here that would indicate that we need to use EXECSC before global data init is called. So I think we can safely move this guy in there. Let me see if at this time we already have the file system created. I go to here, the file system. It exists, yeah, and the version also exists. Okay, that's great. Then I would say in the global data, we create a private function, say a static unsigned int generate EXECSC. There we go. And then we go to I would say we move it down here. Pass game data. I would say we just move it to the end. There we are. Global data. There we go. Okay, and then we have that, and then we say we take EXECSC in ECSC. Yeah, let's see the executable. So we take this guy, all this, and we move it down here. There we go. And here at the top, I will also add debug set crash, the version. Oof. Version. Yeah. The version is not now. The version is now. And file system. It's not expected now. Just say it's not. It's not expected now. Say must not be now. Must be not now. Must be not now. The version must be not null. Let's just keep this now. There you go. I've seen that EA also has some comments in this style, so should be good. Good. What is this here? Why is this complaining? All right. Get. What is this returning? Get. What? What? Get. Yeah. exe CRC get and return that. There we go. Okay. Okay. And then we go to the init function. Init. Where is it? Init. There we go. And then in here we call generate exe CSC for exe CSC equals that. There we go. And we remove nothing. There we go. Okay. That will recompile the whole game again because it touches everything. Okay, but this should work now, right? Yeah, and I think it also makes a lot more sense because yeah, it has dependency, so it shouldn't be really happening in the constructor, right? Yeah. Good. Let's clean up here a little bit. Okay. Then we should be able to test this now. Yeah. So global data inits. We have a breakpoint. Fantastic. Then let's see if that works. Okay. There we go. Diversion. That works now. Okay. So this should get us the exe CRC. Yep. And off we go. There we go. Now we have an exe CRC somewhere. Oof. There we go. There it is. Okay. Okay. Good. Now with this in place, let's build this one again. No. No. Now, and then we probably also need to check if so it's being initialized in World Builder, in Game Engine, and in Map Cache Builder. Let me see if let me search for new global data. There's also this. GUI edit. GUI edit calls init manually. Okay. Now this could be a problem, right? Here. The file system is there, but the version is not. So that could crash, right? The version. But then that would have crashed already. Yeah. The version. Yeah, who's creating the version then? Let me put a breakpoint here. Let's go to GUI edit and set it a startup project and launch it once. Whoops. Okay, so what happens then? So the version is null. Ah, okay, there's a if check here. Okay, that's fair. Aha, okay. The file system, okay. Okay, that's fair. Yeah. Then we can remove this. There we go. Okay, I think this will work. Yeah. 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 Okay. I don't think GUI edit needs exe CRC, but yeah, that's what it currently does. No need to change it, but probably can be removed actually, right? Yeah. Okay, but it's fine. It's fine. Good. That is great. So my expectation is that we should rebuild. Graphics improvement. I would serve some major labor. Not really, because you can enable anti-aliasing and anisotropic filtering in the graphics driver settings. So it's already perfectly possible to apply this without having a native option in the game. It's probably just a nice to have in the game, but it's the graphics drivers, they can already slap it on top of any 3D application. So yeah, I think it's just a minor thing. I don't know. It's not essential. No. What about this approach? Generate a file on the GitHub action site to populate the version. Sorry, having the weaker builds. Let's find display. If the game can generate if if the CMake can generate the version, then is it fine to use that instead? Good. So compilation is done. Linking, it has linked. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope it's up to date then. Good. So logging is enabled. Then let's launch it once and see what happens. Options. Load replay. Aha, that looks good. Okay. 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 Let me take a screenshot of this. And Gen tool images. Okay. Fixing that bug also fixed. Fixing that bug fixed the replay incompatibility. Basically, what happened was that our exe CRC always was 0. That our exe CRC always was 0. Let me clarify. VC6 showing compatible. VC6 now shows compatible replays again. VC6 builds. Okay, then I will create a new branch. We call that fix exe CRC bug. Okay. Okay, good. Good. So this is 0 hour. Fix exe CRC generation. Fix untimely exe CRC generation. Is untimely a word? Untimely. Inappropriate time. In global data. Then we need to replicate that in generals. Okay, then we take this guy, this one, put that here, dot dot, this one, paste, there we go, and this. Okay. Okay, it failed to remove this because there are differences. Oh, well, that's not a problem. We just yeah, we just we enable generals. No, we don't. Now we can. Let's enable generals. Yeah. Block does not belong to this pool. Uh-oh. Okay, we need to look into that. Block does not belong to this pool. Huh. Good. Then we go to we search for this one here. There we go. Good. Then what we do is we simply take this and copy this down here. There we go. Okay. Okay, what about this comment here? Global data. There we go. Replicates in generals. Good, then let's compile this, but I suspect that this will be just fine. Then we can already push it. There we go, there. Okay, so this was introduced with this one, right? Yeah. Because previously I don't know how this ever worked. Where was it created for the first time? Not here. Maybe somewhere higher up here. Okay, so who is creating this? New global data. So it is created in command line. That's what we added. It's also created in, what is this? Oh, in parse game data. Oh. Okay. Okay. So it probably was previously created in here, right? Okay. Good. I'm quite a bit tired already, but let's at least finish creating this pull request. Afterwards, I go sleep. Good. Dependencies. Fix untimely exe CRC generation. Okay, so this was major bug. This project. Okay, so this is fixes that and follow up for that. Has introduced a bug where global has introduced a bug where execrc global data execrc would remain null 0. It's introduced a bug where remained 0 after game engine init. This happened before because global data was created before the file system and the version which were required to access the files. The exe CRC generation is now moved to the global data init step, which fixes this issue. Global data init is called by all tools. Is also called by all tools that use the global data. There's no user of mexe CRC before game engine init is done. Files for CRC generation. Okay. Which is called after the file system is initialized. Therefore, fixes this issue. What about the version though? Who's creating that? New version. Who's creating that? Ah, it's created in WinMain. Okay, that's pretty early. Okay, that's fair. Okay, bug major this projects. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Good. Maybe what we can also do, I do have a few changes. Let me do author myself. Okay, I have 18 open right now, which is quite a bit. Do we have any comments on this now? Okay, this one I need to look into. molar. Okay, good. Refresh. Okay, refresh. Okay. This can be reviewed. What about this one? Let's review. Fresh. Okay, good. So I need to attend this one here. This one. Okay. How do we do that? This one. Rebase. Okay. And okay. Target include that. So I guess what we do is target target link libraries. Interface. Core E. Okay. Then we do the same for ZI. Okay. Okay. And then we should be able to remove all core E's, yes. Core E. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Fair enough. Okay. Okay, let's see if that compiles then. Let's build all tools, all extras, everything. Yeah. Oh, nice. I will get that. Yeah, okay. Let's compile this. If it compiles, I'm happy. Okay, and then that should be done, yeah. Okay. There's one more thing that I thought about today. Let me so, version, not found. Here. I think in game we should also print exe CRC and ini CRC. Yeah. To allow reviewing these, especially any CRC is important to avoid game mismatching. All the various spots. Okay, still compiling. But I'm fairly confident that this will work. So let me append this as a commit. My cursor is lagging hard, very hard. Oh boy. Okay. There we go. So stage that and libraries include, yeah. Simplify. Simplify usage of that. Okay, compilation has succeeded. Fantastic. Let me push that. Yeah. All right. And we are done with that. Okay. Okay. Author, myself. Awesome. This one. Roger. Fix that. Okay, cool. Then that should be good. Okay. Good. Did we have any other? There's one more that I need to take care of, but that will be too long now. I will do this next session. Yeah, that is this one. That one needs another look. Omniblade was not happy with this, and probably rightfully so. But I think all the others I have taken care of. Yeah. 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 This one's still a draft. Yeah. Good. Then next session we will do this one. This. And then maybe we go back to Helmut's replay simulator stuff, or maybe the version stuff, or maybe some other reviews. There's just an unlimited amount of work. I'm not struggling to find new work. It just keeps on going. There's no end. Yeah, I don't know. How can it be that we always accumulate so many pull requests? 73. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this shit never gets done. It's just so much work. Oh man. Good. Then I think I will be done here. There has been 1 hour 24. It's I think good enough. All right, and I hope you enjoyed. We got a bit of stuff done. Yeah, some fixes of issues that we have introduced. Merged a bunch of small fixes and refactors. And that's it. That's it. Okay. Good. Good. Reviews plays. Yeah, we need more reviews going on. Yeah. Good. Then, I will end here. I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.